And the flu outbreak has taken a deadly turn in New Mexico.
Good afternoon, I'm Kim Baez. 5 New Mexicans have now died from the flu. This comes as the state continues to deal with what's considered a widespread outbreak, and as pharmacies and doctors' offices deal with shortages of the flu vaccine.
It has been an especially brutal flu season. At one point, the state saw about 7% of patients with flu-like symptoms, far higher than the usual 2%. Now, 5 people have died. They are a 91-year-old woman and 94-year-old woman from Rio Arriba County, a 67-year-old woman from Bernalillo County, a 57-year-old woman from Lee County, and a 56-year-old man from Chavez County.
The folks that we have in this list of 5, we are still completing all of the investigations, but some of them indeed did have comorbidities or other diseases that make them, more susceptible to severe complications.
The state says a total of 8 people died during last year's entire flu season, and this year's season is far from over. The health department says we are still experiencing a widespread outbreak, meaning the flu is all over the state, not just in some counties. The good news, the rates have dipped. At the end of last week, the state saw about 4.6% of patients reporting flu-like symptoms. That's compared to that 7% seen just a couple weeks ago. But doctors warn the danger is still very high.
We do expect to have deaths every single year from influenza, unfortunately. But this year we've started earlier and we have these first 5. It's a good warning for everybody who's out there to get their flu vaccine.
Doctors' offices and pharmacies across the state are still experiencing sporadic shortages of the flu vaccine. Some have waiting lists, but say regular shipments continue to come in.
The state does have a hotline and a website to help you find pharmacies or doctors' offices in your area that have that vaccine. We've put a link on our website, krqe.com.